Bioluminescent behemoths. Could warming oceans create the real Kraken? The ocean is heating. Not just at the surface, but in the deep. And when temperature changes in the abyss, evolution doesn't wait politely. It reacts. Cell by cell. Gene by gene. What if rising ocean temperatures aren't just bleaching coral, but rewriting the genetic blueprint of deep-sea predators? What if thermal stress is accelerating mutations in cephalopods, triggering larger bodies, glowing camouflage, and extreme survival adaptations? What if the Kraken isn't ancient history, but evolutionary future? For decades, scientists believed the deep ocean was stable, cold, predictable, untouched by rapid climate shifts. But new bathypelagic temperature readings show measurable warming even thousands of meters below the surface. It's subtle, fractions of a degree. But in the deep sea, small shifts have massive biological consequences. Deep sea organisms evolved in thermal stability. When that stability disappears, stress begins. And stress drives change. When marine organisms experience thermal stress, their cells activate heat shock proteins. These molecular chaperones protect other proteins from misfolding under stress. But prolonged activation can also increase mutation rates during DNA replication. That doesn't mean instant monsters. It means accelerated adaptation pressure. Cephalopods, squids, octopuses, cuttlefish, already possess some of the most dynamic genomes in the ocean. They are masters of rapid evolution, short lifespans, high reproduction rates, flexible genetic expression. They adapt quickly. And in a warming ocean, that speed increases. Bioluminescence is not rare in the deep sea. It's everywhere. Bacteria glow. Jellyfish pulse with light. Some squid species already produce flashes to confuse predators or attract prey. But warming waters shift predator-prey relationships. New hunting strategies emerge. Genetic expression linked to light-producing organs, photophores, can become amplified under selective pressure. Imagine a large deep-sea squid evolving enhanced bioluminescent camouflage. Not just flashing, but glowing in patterns, mimicking faint surface light from above, or pulsing to disorient prey. A massive, nearly invisible predator made of light and shadow. There's another pattern observed in certain marine species. Environmental stress can favor gigantism in specific ecological niches. In cold, oxygen-rich waters, larger body sizes are sometimes supported by metabolic efficiency. As oxygen distribution shifts and ecosystems reorganize, dominant predators can grow larger if food sources concentrate in shrinking habitable zones. Deep-sea squids already reach enormous proportions. The giant squid, the colossal squid, proof that extreme size is biologically possible. Now imagine evolutionary pressure pushing certain populations toward even greater scale. Not overnight, but generation by generation, selection by selection. Sailors once described glowing shapes beneath ships. Massive tentacles illuminated by eerie blue light. At the time, fear filled in the blanks. But today we know bioluminescent plankton can light entire waves. We know squid can emit light. We know deep-sea giants exist. The difference between myth and biology is often just missing data. And climate change is altering biological equations in real time. The Kraken legend may have been born from rare encounters with extreme individuals. But environmental acceleration could make extremes less rare. Important distinction: warming oceans are not magically creating monsters. Evolution is not instant. Mutations are not deliberate. But environmental stress increases selection pressure. And cephalopods are uniquely equipped for rapid adaptation. flexible RNA editing, complex nervous systems, dynamic camouflage abilities. They are evolutionary opportunists. If any deep-sea predator could respond dramatically to environmental shifts, it would be them. The ocean is changing. And when ecosystems shift, apex predators shift with them. We may never see a mythical Kraken rise from the waves. But we could witness something just as astonishing, a new generation of deep-sea giants. Larger, smarter, bioluminescent, perfectly engineered by stress and survival. Not monsters, not myths, but biological responses to a warming world. And somewhere in the darkness right now, evolution is experimenting. Please like, subscribe and follow for more.